These AmeriLite halogen taillights provide a clean, factory-correct look that refreshes older Chevy and GMC trucks without appearing flashy or out of place. Fitment is well thought out for late 1980s through 2000 full-size models, so owners of Silverado, Sierra, Tahoe, and Suburban trucks can replace aged housings with confidence. The housings are built with sturdy materials and clear lenses that resist yellowing, which helps keep brake and signal output bright and noticeable over time. Installation is straightforward because the assemblies are designed as direct replacements, allowing the original mounting points and wiring to be reused without custom fabrication. AmeriLite includes both driver and passenger side units, along with a compatible bulb connector plate, so you can restore the entire rear lighting setup in one go. Compliance with major North American lighting standards offers reassurance that the lights meet safety expectations for brightness, beam pattern, and durability.